So here we have someone with shoulder length hair. Oh, the stylist did this breathtaking bob. I love the bangs he added in the front. And it looks like we have a really cute shaggy pixie for the next transformation. Very popular hair trend. So next up we have someone with blonde hair. Looks like she has like a blonde bob here. And you can see there in the lower left-hand corner, she does end up getting this really chic pixie cut. It's so 90s inspired. I love it. Her whole outfit, very, very 90s. So then we see someone with this gorgeous head full of curly hair, and she gets this really cute bob. I love this style, perfect for the summer. And bam, she gets a nice a little longer pixie style. Oh, and another pixie transformation. Oh, she's got the undercut going there with the design. Oh, I love this look. Now that design definitely adds some edge to the overall cut. And then here we have a nice little pixie hair transformation. She's got a few bangs in the front. Wow, she's got some beautiful, long, thick hair. And she chops it off into this bob. Beautiful. Oh, she got a pixie. So which one do you like better, the bob or the pixie? I think I'm gonna have to go with the pixie. Really cute with bangs. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.